well, I'm Friar Tuck, and I'm in Robin Hood at the Camberley Theatre. And, oh, I'm so looking forward to Christmas because, you see, well, I need some more presents. I've broken my staff. Well, I haven't broken it, actually. It's got Dutch elm disease. So I need a new staff and some more sausages. I love my sausages. But, yeah, that'll do nicely for Christmas. A new staff and some sausages. Oh, well, yes. And we have a lot of merry men and a lot of merry ladies as well who live in the forest, Sherwood Forest, you see. So we all sort of buy each other Christmas presents. So I'll have to buy them something, the odd bow and arrow, that sort of thing, or some new boots. They do wear them out pretty quick. And I'll have to get something for Maid Marian, I suppose. Ribbon and lace. She loves ribbon and lace. Oh, and the last thing I'll buy for Robin is a book, because we like a little story around the old campfire. Good old story. Maybe about something like, an outlaw, maybe.